What up world, it's your homeboy WordPlay TJ, and this time around I'm going to show you how to get your Apple Music artist account and how to check your analytics. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get your Apple Music artist account and check out your analytics there. Currently the test site is in beta, but soon there will be more features rolling out over time. As you can see, you have some stats here, some purchase stats, some album purchase stats, and so many other things that you can track and get to understand how your data is working as far as Apple Music is concerned. So I've already had this set up for my artist account, but what I'm going to do is try to sort of sync older music and find an account for older music and just show you how I did it. So here's what we want to do. We want to sign up first. From artist.apple.com, you want to type in your Apple ID, and if you don't have an Apple ID, you would want to register for one on I believe the iTunes website. So you can get one, or if you don't have one, you can hit create yours now. So what I want to do from here is to request artist access, and that's what you'll do as your first step. You can already see that I'm connected as WordPlay TJ. So what I want to do is find my old music, TJAY, maybe space T dot space JAY. None of these look like me, so let's put it together and see if I can find it. Oh, wait a minute, it's not dot, it's T dash. Wow, this is crazy. Well, this is pretty ridiculous actually. So let's find another way, because if you can't find yourself that way, there's the other way, which is to pull up iTunes and get the store artist page. So let's go to store. It's still probably T-JAY. It's just been so long since I've searched this. Okay, no, it's T dot. Sweet. But there's my album, So Much More, that I released in 2012. And what I'm gonna do is go to my artist page. A lot of these songs on here are not me at all, and so I'm thinking about like taking these down and changing my stage name on a lot of these things so I can get them up properly. But it'll be a minute before I do all of that. But regardless, here we go. Let's take this link, copy this link, and I'm gonna put it here so it's easiest to search. So as you can see, that's not even, yeah, it's definitely not even me. Select the album, So Much More. And my role is going to be artist, label rep, or manager. Usually because I represent myself, I just say label rep. And then business email, I'm gonna say this booking email. You put in your phone number, company, On The Map Music Group, contact name, Terry L. Johnson Jr., On The Map Booking at Gmail, phone number again, management contact is the same. All of that's the same. And now you have another option here, and it's to connect to Twitter and connect to Facebook. So here's the difficult part. And by the way, I'm self-managed, so it's not even an issue that I need to put in the management part. Here's my particular issue. So if you don't have a Twitter or a Facebook account to verify, you're going to have to verify in a different way. And so This just is so you get access very, very quickly, so you don't have to do some other verification system or something like that. So after you connect it to your Twitter or your Facebook account, you'll go ahead and send the request. If you don't have that connected, then they will ask for additional information. So send request. Sweet. And my request is now pending. Now, once they approve your account, you'll be able to go in and look at certain things. So let's take a look at this and see what you can look at. All right, so here's the overview. I have 337 plays over the last 30 days, no radio spins, no song purchase, no album purchases. So there's some work to do on that side. But my insights, Circle hit a new high of 10 daily plays. So since June 30th, Circle has had 10 daily plays. So this is what the territories look in the United States, where I'm trending the most, obviously because I'm a US citizen. And here are my most played songs currently. Let's look at the trends, plays by song. Overall, it looks as if, let's look at the last 90 days. So overall, it looks like it's trending upward just a bit on a daily basis. And as you can see metrics for songs and how they're performing. So If I Should Die is done over 105% since the last time it's played in the last 90 days. Tony Robbins is down 34%. Bubble is down 0.2%. All of my songs are down about 5% over the last 90 days, so I got some work to do there. Let's see, 60 days. There's a little bit of an improvement, so that means that anything I'm doing recently, I need to continue doing. There's only one song that's really kind of dipping. And let's see, over the last 30 days, I'm over 25% up, so that's really good. Places. You can see all the countries that your music is being played. Russia, India, Australia, Poland, Hungary, Germany, France, UK, Canada, United States is where most of it's been played, and Suriname. I have no idea what that country is, but that's cool. It's in South America somewhere. Your music, here's a list of all of most of my songs and albums. And then you can add like a manager to the account. If you have a manager or something like that, you can give them access by attaching their email. So that is it. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section. I would like to know how everything went for you, so leave that reaction down in the comment section. And until next time, it's your homeboy WordPlay TJ. Peace.